Well guys, Hadley and I have a big adventure ahead of us. We're making the move to Seaside, Oregon. I'll talk more about the job. Exciting things ahead. This place has been great. And yeah, we're gonna miss Grand Junction, but I'm excited for what's next. Catch you on the road. I'm not in Colorado. Hadley's not in Colorado. She's behind the camera. We are out here on the beautiful coast of Oregon. We moved to Seaside, Oregon. I got a new job with Trout Unlimited that I'm excited to tell you guys about. But this is kind of our first big hike out here. The drive was very smooth to get from Colorado to Oregon. Day one went by, no issues. Got into the hotel, had a nice relaxing morning, and then I ended up watching the World Cup. Got to see Messi get his big World Cup trophy, which was really cool. Then the next day, another easy drive. We did 8 hours. Cruising 71 uphill. It's only dropped 1 gear from 8 to 7. Holding it no problem, temps are great. Climbing. The diesel is enjoying this drive. Got into Seaside when it was nice and rainy. A great welcome to coastal Oregon. We've been here for about a month now, and we are just absolutely loving life. As you can see behind me, we've got the entire coastline is our home now. We are a 10-minute drive away from where we're living, and we couldn't have asked for more, so lots of exciting content opportunities coming up. I did want to tell you guys a little bit about the job with Trout Unlimited. So I'm going to be working as a restoration project manager for the Salmon Superhighway. So essentially what I'll be doing is helping assist with projects where we'll be removing culverts and stream barriers, turning them into bridges, and making crossings possible for anadromous fish to travel upstream. It's really exciting work. Salmon Superhighway is a great thing going out here. I'll link them below. Definitely go take a look. I'm going to be running their socials as well, so make sure to give them a follow to help me out for my new job. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to you guys. We've hit 5,000 subscribers, which seems just unreal. It was such a big goal when I started the channel back, I don't even know, 16. So to come this far and have people that actually want to see this content is really uplifting, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll be making a 2022 recap video coming up soon. I've got a 30,000 mile Jeep review video, got some other fishing videos from Colorado that I still need to edit, so lots of content is overdue, but I've been catching up here out on the coast. Wanted to give you guys one last look at this view. Appreciate you guys watching the channel. Thank you again for 5,000 subscribers and lots of epic content to come. Catch you on the next one. Peace.